Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 13 Deakin Close here in Gracemere. Set on over 900 square metres, this amazing 3-bedroom home has been meticulously maintained. Let's take a quick tour. I bet you won't find a better open plan living environment than this one right here at 13 Deakin Close in Gracemere. It has to be my favourite feature of this awesome home. 13 Deakin Close is a fantastic home and a great opportunity. If the team here at McGrath can help you own this wonderful property, give us a call. We would love to help you out.